Are you a motorsport fan who wants a piece of badass art on your wall? Then look no further. Today, we are turning a random internet picture into a badass but fully functional wall clock using AI. The budget? Under $20. Let's see if we can pull this off. Let's get started. We are letting Tripo AI do the heavy lifting today. I just dragged and dropped the image, and Tripo gives us two options, HD model or smart mesh. Since we want every edge to look razor sharp, we are going with HD model. Now I'm running this on default settings because, let's be honest, I don't want to overcomplicate things. But don't let the word default fool you. The default mode here is actually packed with power. It uses their latest v3.1 best quality AI model, and features like AI Complete and Ultra Mesh Quality are already activated out of the box. That means the AI automatically enhances our flat image to preserve every single detail on the brake disc. Let's hit generate and let the magic happen. Tripo generates the whole 3D model in just a few seconds. And there it is. It's honestly impressive how fast this is. Quick tip here, we got a perfect 3D model on our very first try, but you are not 100% satisfied with the first result. Tripo actually gives you 3 retries for free to tweak it until it's perfect. So don't worry about burning your credits on a bad render. Tripo also offers an industry-leading 8K texture feature, which delivers the kind of insane texture quality you'd see in professional film and animation productions. We could use these ultra-sharp textures for multicolor printing, but I have a pro tip that will save you days of filament switching. Enter the segmentation tool. In my opinion, this is the absolute cheat code for 3D printing. I select balanced, and now I can merge the parts until I have just two things, the rotor and the caliper. Done. Exporting this bad boy straight to Bambu Studio. Time to turn raw mesh into a functional clock. Step 1. Scale it up to 195% because size does matter. Step 2. Slice the bottom for that crisp, perfect first layer. Thanks to our AI segmentation, coloring the caliper and disc is literally one click. No tedious manual painting. Now we need a home for the clock mechanism, so I added a negative cube and a cylinder. Let's test fit the 3D mechanism model. Perfect fit. But here is where I ran into a problem. Seeing the ugly plastic box right through the disc holes? Absolutely disgusting. So I engineered a quick fix. I dropped a cylinder inside to hide the mechanism completely. Problem solved. For the final touch, I used the text tool to emboss the Porsche lettering on the caliper. She is beautiful. Now I'll let my Bambu printer do the work while I enjoy my coffee. Assembly time. Just a bit of glue, and look at this fit. So satisfying. Pop the clock mechanism in, attach the hands, just look at this. It looks incredibly premium on the wall. And remember that under $20 budget, with the power of AI, a handful of filaments, and a clock mechanism, the total cost of this entire build was $11.95. A custom piece of art on your wall for the price of a couple of coffees. I call that an absolute win. Creating a custom project like this used to require pro-level modeling skills and hours of frustration. Now, just an idea and the right AI tool. If you're ready to start your own journey, Tripo is offering up to 50% off on their annual plans. Plus, you can use the code TRIPACREW to get 60% off your first pro month. That's less than $8 to unlock all Tripo features. And if you use my invitation link in the description, you'll get an extra 500 bonus credits to start creating right away. So, what do you think? Is this better than buying a basic IKEA clock? Tell me in the comments, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next print.